Good morning from Kauai. We're currently on an island in the Hawaiian island chain that is the most in the north. And this week here we're going to be checking out some beaches, waterfalls, and probably doing a lot of hiking. This time we booked a rental car far in advance, so we have this really nice Jeep, and I'm actually quite excited just to drive this thing because I've never driven a four-wheel drive or Jeep in any kind before. So we're trying to find our way down to this waterfall, and we see all the people coming up from this one way, but we're not sure if it's the right way to go down because there's these signs here. So you're supposed to walk along this fence and then go all the way down here. It's a new day and time for another hike. So we got to our first place, which has a lot of cliffs by the beach. We're gonna go for a short walk here. So we're hiking down this one trail and the clouds came in a little bit, but I hope once we get to the viewpoint that the view will clear up. So we had an amazing week here, and unfortunately it's already time to take this guy back to the airport. We already packed our bags and have another flight to catch soon. So see you guys next week. Peace.